One really nice thing about making biscuits is they are really simple. Pretty much, you should have everything in your pantry. Hi, I'm Angie, and today I'm going to show you how to make the flakiest biscuit. I'm using biscuit flour, which is predominantly used in the South. You can't really find it sometimes outside of there, so you can just use all-purpose flour. So when you get to the step of adding your butter, you want to make sure that it's very, very cold, so it doesn't melt out before you bake them. If you do not have buttermilk, you can make buttermilk. Take regular whole milk or even low-fat milk, and you can add lemon juice or white vinegar. You want to add about a half a teaspoon per half cup. The buttermilk adds that nice richness and flavor. So I grew up in North Carolina. I definitely grew up eating a whole lot of biscuits. We mainly had them for breakfast. Then when I was living my city life and I didn't have access to the biscuits that I was used to having, that's why I had to learn how to make them. I like to roll them out, fold it over once, fold it over again, and then cut from there. And I find that it adds a lot of layers. When you bake them, you definitely want to have a nice rise. If you've done everything correctly, they should double in size. And then you definitely want to have a nice golden brown on top. You don't want them to get too dark, because once they get too dark, they probably are also going to be a little dry. I'm from the South, so I would say with butter and jelly. You can make a sandwich. You can definitely put a piece of fried chicken, which I think is probably the ultimate way to have it, and maybe some honey. Oh my God. This tastes like honey.
Oh, yes!